Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today you will see me make some totally mathematical artwork. I'm going to create something called a parabolic curve using a very simple grid. For this project you will need a sheet of paper, a ruler or straight edge, and drawing supplies of your choice. To get started, create evenly spaced lines along the short end of your paper. You could measure out every centimeter, half inch, or simply use your finger to create even spaces. That's what I ended up doing. After you've made each line, number them starting at number 1 on the top and your highest number in the bottom corner. Start on the short edge of your paper so you know how many lines to draw on the long edge of your paper next. After you've made each line, number them starting with number 1 in the corner and then your highest number towards the opposite corner of your paper. The rest is super easy. You will need a straight edge though, so find anything that you can use to make straight lines. A ruler, box of pasta, magazine, sketchbook, old drawing, or anything else that you're allowed to use. Next, use whatever drawing supplies you want to connect each line. I think that this looks best when you use multiple or a variety of colors. And then what you want to do is connect the lines, just like a connect the dot. Connect 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and so on. After a while, you will see how the straight lines together create the illusion of a curve. It's really neat. Follow along as I work on my parabolic curve. When you are all the way done with one corner, repeat the same steps in the opposite corner of the paper. Lastly, I think it's a great idea to fill the middle with anything that you want. Congratulations, by the way, on combining art and math with a really cool result. You've seen my attempt, now it's your turn to try. This could be a doodle or a masterpiece, but either way, happy making, artist, and enjoy.